Welcome back, guys, and welcome back to Inventor Tutorials, problem sheet number 1, and we're up to part number 9 this time, the Open Mortice member. So we're going to start off the same old way using New, come down to Metric, Standard, Create. So by now this should be coming second nature to you, having done this 8 times previously. Got our drawing board. We're going to go up to Start Sketch. Going to come down and select a plane, the XZ plane, and this time we're going to go back to the same technique we used in the first 3 activities, which is select a rectangle, select a date and point, click, drag, and then type in the dimensions of our rectangle for the base, which in this case is going to be 30 millimeters. Tab 50 millimeters, enter, go to our top, open it out, and then finish our sketch. We're now going to extrude that sketch, and extrusion distance in this case is going to be 20, enter, slide across to our block and click on the corner to center our image again, and then selecting the top image. So as I go over, you see how it changes to white, and then right click on it and new sketch. Looking at our diagram, we need to put a rectangle in this part here. So I'm going to go grab my rectangle and I'm going to find that edge, come down and across, and in this case, I know that my rectangle has to be 10 wide, so I type in 10 by 20 long, so tab 20 deep, enter. That places my rectangle in the right size. Now I've got to put it in the right dimensions, so I actually have to use a combination. So I'm going to go use the dimension tool now, and I'm going to say from this edge to that edge, drag it out. When I look at my drawing, it tells me that it has to be 10 millimeters, enter. So that constrains that. That one there is done, that's done. So we finished our sketch. Now I'm going to go back to top. We know it's in the right location, we know it's the right size. Going to go to extrude tool, and just like we did in the first couple of activities, we're going to use the cut tool. Except this time it's asking us to select the profile. As I go over my new profile, you'll see how it'll change color slightly. Click on it. It's wanting us to do a distance, but we know we're going to go all the way through, so we use all just to be on the safe side. And go OK. Going to come around and have a look at it from that end. So it looks the same as our drawing. We know the dimensions are the same because we did it by dimensions. So we can now go up and save this drawing. So go up to the I menu, down to Save As, and this time it's part number 9. And it's called Open Mortice member. And save it. Well, thank you guys for watching, and our next time I see you we'll be doing part number 10, the lap miter member, which is going to be a combination of all 3 things we've seen so far in the first 9 activities. It's a little bit more complicated, but we're going to be using the same skills, just in lots of different combinations. Alright guys, until then, I shall say bye for now.